The cheetah is one of the most iconic predators in the animal kingdom. Known for its incredible speed, this elegant feline is built to hunt, survive, and thrive in the harsh savannas of Africa. But what makes the cheetah truly extraordinary goes far beyond running fast. The cheetah's body is a masterpiece of evolution. Its long, slim legs, flexible spine, and specialized muscles allow it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. The tail acts as a rudder, helping it balance while making sharp turns at full speed. With such adaptations, the cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. Unlike other predators that rely on strength, the cheetah depends on strategy and precision. It stalks its prey silently, often getting within 50 meters before sprinting. The chase rarely lasts more than 20 to 30 seconds, but it requires explosive power and perfect timing. Every successful hunt is a combination of skill, patience, and lightning-fast reflexes. Cheetahs have excellent eyesight, enabling them to spot prey from long distances. They rely on keen observation, wind direction, and terrain knowledge to approach without being noticed. This acute awareness is vital for survival in the wild. Unlike most big cats, cheetahs are not very territorial, but males often form small coalitions to patrol and protect areas. Females are usually solitary, caring for their cubs alone. The social structure and communication, through calls, scents, and body language, are essential for hunting, success, and safety. Despite being fast and agile, cheetahs face serious challenges. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and declining prey populations threaten their survival. Conservation efforts across Africa aim to protect their habitats, reduce conflict, and ensure future generations of these magnificent cats. The cheetah is not just a symbol of speed, it is a living example of precision, agility, and evolutionary perfection. Every sprint, every hunt, and every movement shows a delicate balance of strength and grace. This is the cheetah, nature's ultimate sprinter,